Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 49, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is a polarizing microscope? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go ahead and answer the question. So what is a polarizing microscope? Well, a polarizing microscope is a microscope where the object is viewed using polarized light to illuminate the object. In other words, the reason it's called a polarized microscope is because it's using polarized light, and that's what illuminates, what brightens up the object. Now you might ask, what is polarized light? Well, polarized light is light waves in which the vibrations occur in a single plane. Pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that the dogs greyhounds can actually reach speeds of up to, get this, 67 kilometers per hour? That translates into 42 miles per hour. That's fast. Think about it. These little dogs, which of course, maybe when you think of the word greyhound, maybe you're thinking of buses you might have seen. These dogs that are greyhounds can reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour. That is fast and wow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that'll be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye.